Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for menu, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the option called the settings, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the option called the system. And here find the option called about and tap on it. Then scroll down and find the option called S/N. And this is the serial number of our device. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.